If you're looking for a quick beach escape to fully relax in a private, off-the-beaten-path setting, look no further than El Cuyo in Yucatan, Mexico. I stayed at Casa Cielo, it's a stunning boutique hotel located directly on the most breathtaking beach. The rooms at this small but luxurious hotel are gorgeous, they're comfortable, and literally steps away from the most beautiful white sand beach. This is the room we stayed in. Super modern, really clean, really comfortable. Obviously didn't spend too much time here when you have this amazing beach right outside. We had our own little private beach area and chairs right there on the right. The hotel actually has its own little private beach area here as well. Then you just walk a little bit further and you get this beautiful empty beach with literally no one in sight. A nice quality is that it's adults only, which isn't something I usually consider when selecting a hotel, but when you're seeking the utmost level of relaxation on the beach, this can make a huge difference. It's exceptionally quiet and peaceful here.